Okay, students, we'll start in 2 minutes. Cadence in. Okay, two more students before we can commence. Okay, yarn is on. Okay, just one more student and we should be good. Okay, just one more student. Okay, students, you can on your video. Very good evening to all of you. Okay, we are still with algebraic expressions. So not bad. The questions are a bit challenging this time around. Some of the questions, not all, but it's all right. We'll manage that later. Okay, just I've got a new student who's joining us. So just give him or her 1 minute, all right? So just wait. Yes, how was it? Okay, I know some of you would have done your weighted assessments in school. Um, if you had gotten your scores, you can just let me know so that I can see that whether you are progressing in the right direction. So if you do, just let me know, right? Okay. All right, let's get started. Okay, we are still dealing with algebraic expressions. So identities, that will be very crucial for today. Special algebraic identities. Yeah, those sort of questions requires a bit of thinking, but it's doable if you apply the identities applications. Okay, audience, yeah, good timing. All right. Okay, Aotian, welcome aboard. New student, good to have you. All right, we're going to get started. We are dealing with algebraic expressions, expansion and factorization, all those stuff. So I think it's not that bad. So let's get started. Okay, the first question, okay, all of you, you can do A. And once you've gotten the answer, you can use the chat box to provide me with the answers. All right, if you want to talk, up to you. Otherwise, please use the chat function. Okay, good luck. Expand and simplify each of the following expressions. All right, so yep. Yeah, not bad. I like that. Chang again, not bad, pretty good. So hopefully everybody can give me the answer. Yep. Wesley got it right. First one is perfect. The second one is good. The third one is, yeah, well done, Wesley. Not bad. Okay. I'm just waiting for the rest. Okay, so far so good. Inchi, correct. Okay, I think the first part is not difficult. So you can use a rainbow method, this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. So you get p squared plus 2p minus 2p minus 4. So your answer is going to be p squared minus 4. That's your first answer, right? So there you go. So your first answer is done. And you can do likewise for the second one. Please on your video, please. Thank you. Okay, I want everybody to try. So you can just text the answer into the chat box. Okay, not bad, well done. So your B should be right, same thing. This and this, this and this. This and this, this and this. And once you simplify, you should get this as the answer, right? The first two answers are okay. How about C? So 3p times 2q, you get 6. 6pq plus 9p squared minus 4q squared minus 6p cubed. Right. So you look for the common terms. This and this could be eliminated. You can strike off. So you're left with 9p squared minus 4q squared. That is the answer. Clear? For those who are struggling, that's the answer, right? Clear? Okay, good. Let's move on. Okay. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, R plus, yeah, fine. Kiran, yeah, I got it. You're right. We did this last week, so you guys should be good. So what are the factors? You have 1 times 9, 3 times 3. Remember what I said? When you sum the numbers, it should give you the center term, right? So 3 plus 3 gives you 6. Therefore, the combination is going to be 3 times 3. So, okay, so it's going to be plus and plus. So it's going to be R plus 3, R plus 3, right? This is the same as R plus 3 square because it appears 2 times. Okay, good. Wesley looking good. Excellent. Wesley, you are right for C as well. But the last one, D is a bit tricky. Try it again. Okay, the rest, please try this. I think A and B is quite manageable. C could be a bit tricky. Remember, this is in relation to the algebraic identity is the A square minus B square, which is A plus B, A minus B, right? So I think these two, definitely these two, they are connected to this identity. So yeah, think about it and try. A is done. Okay, how about the rest? Come on, all of you, please try this. Yeah, Wesley, I'll come to you shortly. Just wait for the rest to catch up. C. No. They ask you to factorize. So when you factorize, Kiran, you won't add that answer. So basically, you're looking at this identity, the one which I've highlighted. You saw this? So this is a perfect square number. This is also a perfect square number. So you got to do something about that. You are looking much better, Wesley, much better, but still off. Jan, you okay there? Try all of it, please try. Okay, good. Your answer for D is wrong. Yeah, D is wrong, that's all. The first part. Okay, no, not that. I'll come to your rescue. Okay, for part B, come on, students. You've got 9p squared minus 12p cubed plus 4q squared. I'll use the cross method. It's going to be 3p, 2q, 2q, but it's going to be negative. So you do a test, this will give you plus 4q squared plus 9p squared. The most important check is the middle one. How do you get this? You got to cross multiply this time this, and this time this, right? So it's going to be 3p minus 2q